Boom! What's up, you guys? Thanks for joining. Got a little snack food review here for you. We're going to keep this rolling. I like to eat. I like snack foods. So I'm going to try and find healthy things for you that can replace some of the not so healthy snacks. I was in the snack aisle today and I saw these. These are called protein chips. Wild protein chips. That's what the package looks like there. You can see that. Wild protein chips. These were in Ralph's. I think they were a little bit more expensive than usual chips would be. They throw the word protein on the bag and they get you hook, line, and sinker with that. But I figured I'd try them out for you here. So again, wild protein chips. These are chicken and waffles flavor. Chicken and waffles flavor. Who knew? And man, it says made from chicken breast. So these are chips that are made with chicken breast. They got the word potato crossed out there, and these are made with chicken breast. Chicken and waffle flavor, crispy chips made from 100% natural chicken breast and tapioca starch. So I guess that's how they made the chip. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't even know that these were made from chicken when I grabbed them. I thought they were just chicken and waffle flavored chips, but I guess I got more than a bargain for here. But chicken raised without antibiotics. Says they're paleo here in the bag, gluten free, and it says new. It's a new product. And let's open the bag and then we'll jump into the label on the back. So I'm gonna pop this open. Okay, so they're not gonna open this way, which I can't stand. I hate that. You gotta. This bag is sealed up really tight. So luckily I have my scissors on hand. So we're gonna cut this. Cut the bag here. A little cut there. All right, now we got it. Oof, don't really like the smell too much. It has this weird smell to it. Let's try one. Let's try one of these. This is a chicken breast chip, chicken and waffle flavor. That's what it looks like right there. It's different. The texture is way different. It's like a piece of dry chicken almost, which I think that's what it is. No, the texture is different. You can definitely taste the syrupy kind of flavor like a chicken and waffle. Interesting. It's different. Let's go over this here. Let's go over the label. Let's see what the label says really quick here. We have serving size is 20 chips. There's 2 servings in a container. Not too bad. Calories 160. So that's not terrible. You have 160 calories in here. So you're at a little over 300 calories for the whole bag if you ate the whole bag. Not bad for a snack food. Calories from fats, 90 fat calories. Total fats, 10 grams. Saturated fat, 1 gram. Trans fat, 0. That's always good. Cholesterol, 25 milligrams. You know, for snack food, that's a little bit of cholesterol. And then we have sodium, 170 milligrams. Not bad at all. Total carbohydrate, 9 grams. That's actually really good for a snack. So these are 9 grams of carbs for a snack. That's actually pretty darn good. And we're in 2 grams of sugar. And we have protein, 10 grams. So it's a high protein snack. And the ingredients look pretty good. You got chicken breast, tapioca starch, sunflower oil, dried egg whites, maple syrup, chicken broth, sea salt, white pepper, garlic powder, natural flavors, rosemary extract, citric acid, contains egg whites, it says on here. Made by Whole Brands in Boulder, Colorado. Way better than potato chips. So these are, again, called wild protein chips. Let me taste another one here. I didn't tell you if I liked them or not yet. I think they're good. I mean, they're not my favorite one that I've had so far. I've tasted a lot of these snack chips and stuff. Not quite what I was expecting. It's a different, what do they call that? An acquired taste. This is definitely an acquired texture. It's an acquired texture. It's a little different than the potato chip that you're used to eating. But if you're gonna snack healthy, you have to change your palate. So what I like about these, it does have naturally occurring protein. So the protein's not added in. So I give my seal of approval. This is definitely something you can throw in the mix. I'll try another flavor. I'm not really big into sweet stuff like for a chip. These have a little bit of a sweetness to it because it's chicken and waffle flavor. So next time I'll see if they have a sour cream and onion or barbecue flavor. I'm gonna try them out. But overall, you're trying to be healthy. You're doing your Netflix and chilling. You're watching your shows. And you want something a little healthier to eat than a Dorito. This is definitely gonna be it. So I will give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up to Wild chips here. Wild chicken protein chips, 10 grams of protein per serving. Definitely better than the average Dorito or potato chip in terms of low carbs, lower sodium, and the ingredients are just better. So you just have to get acquired to the texture. The texture is just different than a regular chip, but it has the crunch. You get everything else with it. So I give it my approval. And have something to drink nearby because you're not used to the texture in your throat, so you're gonna need a little water or something like that. But definitely have something to drink nearby because the texture is a little different and you're gonna feel it in your throat. But overall, thumbs up. I'm out of here. Boom!